Hi guys, today we'll change the voice in CapCut. Whether you're using a new project or an existing one, you can apply voice effects in just a few steps. After unlocking your phone, open the CapCut app. You can tap New Project to select a video from your gallery, or open one of your recent projects if you've already started editing. Once your video is open, you're ready to edit the audio. Tap on the video in the timeline to reveal the editing tools. Swipe left through the options and tap Extract Audio to separate the audio from your video. Once the audio has been extracted, tap the audio timeline. You'll see different editing options. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see voice effects or audio effects. If your video contains spoken audio, use voice effects to change the voice. Browse through the available voice effects and tap the one you'd like to apply it. You can preview different voices before deciding which one fits your video best. Some voice effects are available for free, while others require a CapCut Pro subscription. If you want to use premium voice effects, you'll need an active subscription. Otherwise, you can choose any of the free effects and continue editing your video. And that's how you can easily change a voice in CapCut step by step. Once completed, your video's audio will have the voice effect you selected, making your content more fun and engaging. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.